In this video, we listed the 15 best Duffel Bugout bag for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, Emergency Bugout Bag. An emergency bugout bag with first aid is a vital component of any 72-hour survival kit, designed to provide essential support during unexpected situations like natural disasters, evacuations, or outdoor emergencies. This comprehensive kit typically includes a 45L tactical backpack filled with survival necessities such as a first aid kit, water filter, non-perishable food, and multi-use tools, all tailored to sustain an individual for up to 3 days. Built for durability and portability, the bag is ideal for camping, hiking, or emergency preparedness, offering quick access to critical items like bandages, antiseptics, fire starters, flashlights, thermal blankets, and more. Whether you're braving the wilderness or preparing for a disaster scenario, this bugout bag ensures you're equipped to handle emergencies with confidence and readiness. Product 2. Product name Denver, Premium 72-Hour Survival Backpack. The Denver Premium 72-Hour Survival Backpack is a comprehensive and upgraded emergency preparedness solution designed for 2 people, ideal for those seeking a dependable go-bag for crisis situations. This 2024 model bugout bag is fully equipped with a complete tactical survival kit, offering critical supplies such as food, water pouches, first aid gear, tools, thermal blankets, fire-starting essentials, and protective items, all thoughtfully organized within a rugged and weather-resistant backpack. Whether you're facing a natural disaster, unexpected evacuation, or wilderness emergency, the Denver backpack ensures 72 hours of reliable support and survival. Engineered for durability, portability, and efficiency, it is a premium choice for families, outdoor enthusiasts, and preppers alike. Product 3. Product name Emergency Bugout Bag. The 72-Hour Survival Kit Emergency Bugout Bag with First Aid is an all-in-one tactical solution designed for emergency preparedness, outdoor survival, and disaster response. Packed in a rugged 45L tactical backpack, this comprehensive kit includes essential first aid supplies, a water filtration system, emergency food rations, and multi-use tools to help you endure critical situations for up to 3 days. Ideal for camping, hiking, or evacuation scenarios, the bag is organized for quick access and durable enough to withstand harsh conditions. With its blend of medical, nutritional, and survival gear, this bugout bag offers peace of mind for individuals and families seeking reliable readiness in the face of natural disasters or unexpected emergencies. Product 4. Product name Earthpack Waterproof Dry Bag. The Earthpack Waterproof Dry Bag is a must-have companion for outdoor enthusiasts who need to keep their gear protected in wet environments. Designed with durability and function in mind, this roll-top waterproof backpack sack ensures reliable protection from water during kayaking, boating, hiking, or beach trips. Crafted from rugged, thick PVC material, it resists tears and punctures, making it ideal for rough conditions. The secure roll-top closure creates a watertight seal, and the included waterproof phone case adds extra convenience for safeguarding valuables. Lightweight, compact, and available in various sizes and colors, the Earthpack Waterproof Dry Bag is a trusted solution for keeping essentials dry and secure during any adventure. Product 5. Product name AquaQuests Rugged Rogue. Part of AquaQuests Rugged Rogue series, the 60-liter Rogue Dry Bag in olive drab is designed for heavy-duty waterproof storage in outdoor, tactical, travel, and survival scenarios. It's built with 70D ripstop nylon coated inside and out with TPU and DWR for total water protection, and finished with precision heat-taped seams and a roll-top closure to ensure complete waterproof integrity, even against temporary submersion. The retail market. AquaQuest. Key features: 100% waterproof construction. The jewel-coated fabric and sealed seams effectively block out rain, snow, mud, sand, dust, and even quick submersion, while protecting contents in wet environments. Heavy-duty build, made from 70D ripstop nylon with reinforced stitching, 2 sturdy D-rings at the opening allow you to lash, strap, or tie the bag securely. Versatile sizing, available in 5 capacities, 10, 20, 30, 60, and 100L, to suit a wide range of gear and trip lengths. Wide, functional design. Compared to narrow cylindrical dry bags, the Rogue's wider stadium-shaped body makes it easier to pack bulkier gear and clothing. Product 6. Product name: Montera Survival Kit. The Montera Survival Kit is a comprehensive 265-piece emergency gear and first aid package thoughtfully organized in a durable MOL system-compatible backpack, making it ideal for outdoor adventurers and preparedness enthusiasts. Designed for hiking, camping, hunting, and bug-out situations, this all-in-one survival kit includes essential first aid supplies, multi-tools, fire-starting gear, tactical flashlights, paracord, emergency blankets, and other critical items needed in the wild or during unexpected emergencies. With its compact yet rugged design, the Montera kit serves as a reliable EDC, everyday carry, companion, and its gift-worthy presentation makes it a top choice for men who value readiness, safety, and adventure in the outdoors. Product 7. Product name: Professional Kit and Large Camping Backpack. The Survival Gear Professional Kit and Large Camping Backpack is an all-in-one outdoor companion designed for serious adventurers, hikers, and survivalists. Thoughtfully packed with essential emergency tools, first aid supplies, and practical survival accessories, this kit ensures you're fully prepared for the unexpected in the wilderness. Housed in a durable, spacious backpack, the kit provides organized storage for everything from fire starters and tactical tools to wound care and hydration support. Whether you're heading out for a multi-day trek, camping off-grid, or preparing for emergency scenarios, the professional-grade gear and rugged backpack make this an indispensable setup for outdoor safety, convenience, and peace of mind. Product 8. Product name: Large Military Tactical Backpack. The Large Military Tactical Backpack is a versatile and rugged gear essential designed for those who demand durability, capacity, and functionality in extreme conditions. With a storage capacity ranging from 40 to 50 liters, this backpack is ideal for 3-day excursions, bug-out scenarios, or extended outdoor adventures. Crafted with heavy-duty, water-resistant material, it ensures reliable protection against rough terrains and unpredictable weather. Its MOL, modular lightweight load-carrying equipment, system allows for full customization, enabling users to attach compatible pouches and gear according to their mission or travel needs. Multiple compartments, internal organizers, and compression straps help keep gear secure and well distributed for balanced weight. Designed with both men and women in mind, this tactical rucksack features padded shoulder straps, a ventilated back panel, and adjustable sternum and waist belts for comfort during long treks. Product 9. Product name: MOL Assault Backpack. The MOL Assault Backpack is a rugged, tactical military-style rucksack designed for durability and versatility, perfect for army use, camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure. Built with a modular MOL, modular lightweight load-carrying equipment, system, it allows users to customize and expand the storage capacity by attaching compatible pouches and gear. This 3-day pack is spacious enough to carry essentials for short trips, featuring multiple compartments and pockets for efficient organization. Crafted from heavy-duty materials, the backpack is built to withstand tough conditions while providing comfort through adjustable padded shoulder straps and a breathable back panel. The included USA flag patch adds a patriotic touch, while D-rings offer convenient attachment points for additional gear or accessories. The sleek black design ensures a tactical look suitable for both military personnel and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Product 10. Product name: Martingtop 75L Military Backpack. The Martingtop 75L Military Internal Frame Backpack is a rugged and versatile tactical pack designed for demanding outdoor adventures such as snowboarding, hiking, and camping. Constructed with durable Quadra fabric, this backpack ensures excellent resistance to wear and tear in harsh environments. Its spacious 75-liter capacity provides ample room for all your gear, making it ideal for extended trips. Featuring an internal frame, the pack offers superior load support and stability, helping to distribute weight evenly for enhanced comfort during long treks. The integrated Reco reflector adds an important safety element, making it easier for rescue teams to locate you in snowy or remote conditions. With multiple compartments and mall webbing, the Martingtop backpack allows for organized storage and customization, accommodating both essential equipment and tactical accessories. Its ergonomic design, padded shoulder straps, and adjustable hip belt further ensure a comfortable carry, even when fully loaded. Product 11. Product name Maxpedition Gyrfalcon Backpack. The Maxpedition Gyrfalcon Backpack, Carca Foliage, is a versatile 36-liter tactical backpack designed for military, survival, and outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring a rugged mall internal frame system, this rucksack offers exceptional modularity and load-bearing support, making it ideal as a bug-out bag or a tactical survival pack. Its standout feature is the detachable waist pack, which provides additional storage and convenience for carrying essentials on the go. The durable construction and well-thought-out organization options make the Gyrfalcon backpack a reliable companion for demanding missions, camping, hiking, or emergency preparedness, blending military-grade functionality with practical everyday use. Product 12. Product name Large Tactical Backpack Bag. The Large Tactical Backpack Bag is a versatile and durable 58-liter capacity backpack designed for a wide range of outdoor activities including hiking, camping, traveling, and emergency bug-out situations. Crafted for heavy-duty use, this backpack features multiple compartments and ample storage space to organize your gear efficiently. Its stowable shoulder straps add convenience, allowing you to tuck them away when not in use for a streamlined profile. Made with rugged materials and reinforced stitching, this tactical bag is built to withstand tough conditions and heavy loads. Whether you're navigating rugged trails, embarking on extended trips, or preparing for emergencies, this backpack offers the perfect blend of functionality, durability, and comfort. Product 13. Product name Faraday Duffel Bag. The Mission Darkness Disconnect Faraday Duffel Bag is a robust and versatile travel solution designed to protect your electronic devices and data privacy with military-grade RF, radio frequency, shielding technology. This duffel bag not only offers ample space for large electronics and mobile devices but also includes detachable Faraday pockets for organizing and isolating smaller gadgets. Engineered for superior signal isolation, it effectively blocks wireless signals such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and cellular networks, ensuring your devices are protected from hacking, tracking, and unauthorized data access while on the move. Ideal for professionals, travelers, and privacy-conscious individuals, this bag combines high security with practical portability to safeguard sensitive information during travel or daily commutes. Product 14. Product name CV Life Tactical Backpack. The CV Life Tactical Backpack is a versatile and rugged military-grade rucksack designed for outdoor enthusiasts, tactical professionals, and adventure seekers. With a spacious 60-liter capacity, this large assault pack offers ample room to organize and carry all your essential gear for hiking, camping, military use, or survival situations. Constructed from durable, water-resistant materials, it's built to withstand harsh environments and heavy use. This backpack features a detachable modular lightweight load-carrying equipment system, allowing you to customize and expand storage options by attaching compatible pouches and accessories. Multiple compartments, adjustable padded shoulder straps, and ergonomic back support ensure comfort during extended wear. Its tactical design combines functionality with rugged style, making the CV Life Tactical Backpack an ideal companion for demanding outdoor and tactical missions. Product 15. Product name Maxpedition Gyrfalcon Backpack. The Maxpedition Gyrfalcon Backpack is a rugged, highly versatile 36-liter tactical pack designed for demanding outdoor, military, and survival scenarios. Crafted with durable, water-resistant materials, this backpack features a reinforced internal mall frame that provides exceptional load support and modular customization options, allowing users to attach compatible gear and accessories seamlessly. Its standout feature is the detachable waist pack, which adds convenience and quick-access storage for essential items, making it ideal for bug-out situations, tactical missions, or extended field operations. The pack's ergonomic design includes padded shoulder straps, a breathable mesh back panel, and multiple compartments for organized storage of survival gear, tools, and everyday essentials. The Gyrfalcon excels as a multi-purpose rucksack suited for survivalists, military personnel, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts who demand durability, adaptability, and ample capacity. With its carca foliage color scheme,